Hello, I am Neeraj Kumar Singhal, CEO of Semco Infratech Private Limited. Join us at EV India Expo from November 19 to November 21st at Greater Noida Expo Center, where we will be displaying and showcasing and discussing about our innovative solutions for battery pack manufacturing and testing. See you there. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am excited to invite you all to the EV India Expo at the India Expo Center in Greater Noida. Join us to learn about our latest advancement in battery testing assembly for EV innovations. We look forward to see you there.